To deploy the MVISION EDR client, log into the EPO console and navigate to the system tree. Select the system tree location you would like to deploy to, and then select the Client Task tab. Choose New Client Task Assignment from the bar or from the Action menu. Once the interface loads, select the McAfee agent, Product Deployment, and choose the pre-populated EDR client deployment task. For this example, we'll be leveraging Run Immediately. Click Save. Note, depending on the environment, it may be beneficial to create a custom deployment task. Sending a wake-up will initialize communication and start the clients running the task. This is not recommended for larger environments. After a few minutes, the installation will be complete and the MVISION EDR client will be reflected in the Product tab of the selected devices. This concludes the demonstration.